Every day we use electronic devices without thinking about what happens inside them. Phones, vehicles, washing machines, and smart gadgets all work automatically. Hidden inside these devices is a small computer. Inside these electronic devices, a small computer controls how everything works. It takes inputs, processes information, and controls output asynchronously. Users rarely notice its presence. This computer runs quietly and continuously in the background. It does not need constant user interaction to function properly. Once powered on, it keeps working reliably for long periods. It performs the same task repeatedly without stopping. The program inside follows a fixed logic again and again. This repetitive operation ensures consistent and predictable behavior. This special computer is known as an embedded system. It is designed for a specific function within a larger system. Unlike general computers, it has a clearly defined purpose. Embedded system typically contains a microcontroller, memory, and peripherals. Sensors provide input data to the system. Actuators or displays produce output based on processing results. Embedded systems are used in vehicles, home appliances, medical equipment, and industries. They enable automation, safety, and efficiency. Most modern technology depends heavily on embedded systems. Understanding embedded systems is the foundation of electronics and automation. They power the invisible intelligence behind modern devices. In the next video, we will explore different types of embedded systems. If you found this video useful, please like and share it with others. Follow embedded systems tutorials for more simple and clear explanations. Drop your questions in the comments. We'll learn together.